Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on Samsung. Let's get started. Now to enable the fast charging option straight from your phone settings, scroll down to Battery. Tap on it, scroll further down, and then click on Charging Settings. Now here's what you have to do. Toggle on the fast charging option. If you are using a wireless charger, you can toggle on the fast wireless charging option as well. After doing this, whenever you connect your charger, the fast charging feature will be activated on your Galaxy phone. Now, if your fast charging option doesn't work even after activating it, ensure that the adapter you're using supports fast charging. Additionally, check if the cable connected to the adapter is functioning properly and in good condition. And last but not least, in cases of hot weather or high ambient temperatures, or if your phone is experiencing overheating issues, the fast charging option will automatically turn off. If you're in a hurry, simply turn on airplane mode on your phone while charging. Trust me, it will charge faster than usual. So that's how you can fix and enable fast charging on your Samsung phones. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.